We have to make this section. So for making this section, we have to enter, so you can see that here we have this 3-section layout. Okay, now we can use the flex box here. So I'm going to use this layout. Okay, here we can name this to hero. Okay, now we have to go to this styles, and here we're gonna choose the color like BG1. Okay, BG1 color. Okay, now we have to go inside. Here you can see we have the 1, 2 and 3. We can rename this also. This is the structure which will come from here. Okay, now you can see for the hero, if I check this, we have the 80%. So for that we can go to full width, and here we can try to set the 90. Okay, so this is not good. Here we can choose the box, choose the percentage. Now we can set the 90%. Okay, this is done. And here you can see we have this 25. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to go to this hero, go to set styles, and here you can choose the image. Okay, go to media library, and here you can choose the center image. Okay, like this. Let's make this in the center, and this would be display size cover, or we can make this contain. Okay, let's make this cover only, and here we can set the no repeat. Okay, now you can see we have some padding at the top, so we can choose the hero, go to advanced, and here you can set the padding to 80%. Okay, and below we don't have any padding right now. Go to layout, and here we can set the layout to like 700. Okay, like this. Go to hero, and here you can see we have to set this to contain. Okay, so this is looking great. If we set the auto, contain is looking great. Okay, you can also preview this from here like this. Okay, you can also preview this. So now what we have to do, we have to set this to and we can also make this cover, but in the cover this is going beyond, so we can also set this like this custom value. You can set this according to you, whatever you want to set. Okay, so there are so many options, you can check it out. So I think this is looking great. We can set this like, we can make this 60 here. Okay, now you can see this is looking great. Okay, so you can also make this contain is also looking great. Here we can make this to 650. Okay, now let's go to this, and here you can see we have the radians you can wear. Now you can see that we have this thing. So here you can see that we have the minimum at 600. So let's make this 1000. So after making 1000, you can see that the image will be bigger like this. Okay, now you can see here we have this type of text here. So for the text, we can just add a heading here at the top. Okay, here we can just copy this. Okay, like this. And here you can go to the hero, go to container, and here we can make everything like this. Okay, like this in the center. Okay, now you can see we have this second part. Here we can make this in the center if you want. Okay, now let's click on this, and here we can just make this complete white. Okay, and here we can also increase the size of this to like okay, so here we can also increase the size of this. Okay, now let's make this. For in the typography also we can make this 500. Okay, now what we can do, we can just check out this, like here we can set this to 20%. For the third row also we can set this to 20%, and the rest we can set this to center one, that is 60%. Okay, now you can see. Okay, now what we can do, we can just click on this, and here we can set this to like we can use this EM value here, and here we can set this to okay, so we can set this little below. Okay, like this. You can also preview this from here. Okay, now you can see we have to make these things. Here we can add a container. Okay, now we can just add an image here. So we can choose the image from here. So this is the image. Okay, now we can add a para here below. So we can just add the para. Okay, so we can just copy this para from here because we want the same length and all. Here also we can make this like this one, and here we can make this to uppercase. Okay, and here also you can just play with the font size like of 14. Okay, now we can just click on this add button, and here we can write our collection, our collections. Okay, and here also we can set this to theme 1. Okay, and for the text color we can set this to golden 2. Okay, here we can set this to 15. Okay, here also we can set this to 25. Okay, here we can set this to 20. Okay, so this is done. Here also I think we have the transfer this some hover effect, so we can make this complete white and black like this. Also we can have some hover effect like shrink animations. Okay, so this is done, and we can just preview this from here. Okay, now what we can do, we can just copy this whole container and we can paste this container here in this part. Okay, and also you can see we have this image at the top one. Okay, like this we can move this image to this between. So you can see that here we have the third container, and here we have the image, and then we have this layout. Okay, so for this first one we can choose this image like this, and we can make this in the end. Okay, and also we can put some padding like 200 like this, and here we can update the image like we can update this image. Okay, also you can see we don't want this, so we can add a container here below, and we can just drag and drop this at the top, and here we can just add this like this, and here also we can just increase the size of this. Okay, and we can make this pure white. Okay, now we can search for the icon. Okay, now you can see we can go here, and here also we can make the custom value. Okay, like this. Okay, and here we can set the play button here, so we can set the play icon. Okay, and here we can make this tag. Okay, and for this we can make this golden color, and for this also we can also make this black. Okay, now we can increase the size of this like this, and we can also increase the padding to here. Okay, so now if we do this, you can see we have this type of things here. One more thing we can do, we can just make this too smaller, like here we can make this 200. Okay, this is done. Now you can see we have to put some gap here, so you can see we have the hero 1, 2 and 3. You can just click on this hero, and here we can just add some gap like 50. Now if we check, you can see we have this type of things here ready. Okay, so I think our hero section is done. I think our hero section is looking great. So you can just click on this, and you can also view the page from here. You can also preview that. So you can see this section is done, and also we have this hover effect. Also we can put the hover effect on this if you want. On the hover we want to make this like white, we can make this like black. Okay, like this. So we have this, and also on the hover we can make this grow, like this will grow on this. You can also preview this, and like this. Okay, so much possibilities are there. You can just customize whatever you want. Okay, so this section is done.